Quality, availability, and consumption problems are directly related to output attributes. In Six Sigma, we want to solve exactly these problems. In practice, these problems are sometimes confused with their effects. For a customer, the problem's bad taste of the cookies and their early delivery might lead to dissatisfaction, compensation costs, and migration. From the management's point of view, the wrong diameter and the wasted ingredients lead to quality costs. Additionally, the effects on the customer might lead to losses in sales and revenue. In a Six Sigma project, it is necessary to focus on the deviating attributes of outputs, Y, and their influences in the process, X, because only this way we get direct measurements and can analyze relationships. We solve problems to reduce costs, not vice versa. Please note, costs and satisfaction are hierarchically superior to problems, as they are consequences of deviating quality, availability, and consumption. The effects of the problems, like costs and dissatisfaction, determine the potential of a project, the expected benefits. They are important in evaluating and prioritizing and selecting identified topics for implementation by a Six Sigma project. We do not care about solutions yet. They will be developed later in the project based on verified root causes, as root causes are the interfaces for solutions. But even at this early stage of a project, we might suggest: determine the correct oven temperature to adjust the related cause, use cookie blanks to circumvent, and to forbid nibbling to eliminate the related cause. Adjustment, circumvention, and elimination are different types of solutions that treat the root causes specifically to switch off a problem. Please note, you and your colleagues might also have solution ideas in the early stages of a project. But please be careful. Only for simple problems and valid cause-problem relationships, it makes sense to implement solutions immediately to achieve quick wins. Now, the problem-solving approach within a process becomes apparent. A solution adjusts, circumvents, or eliminates a root cause. The root cause and chronologically sequenced intermediate causes trigger or amplify the problem, and the problem has an effect. Arrows from causes to problems can illustrate initial assumptions that we derive from our observations. Please note, several causes point to one problem, for example the bad taste. This is typical. The reverse case, one cause points to several problems, occurs less often. Correspondingly, a quality problem typically has different causes than an availability problem, even though a quality problem can lead to delivery delays. Our entire daily routine can be divided into inputs, methods, resources, activities, outputs, and problem solving, even if we are not always aware of it. We start and finish the day with the problem tooth plug layer too thick. You know the effect of this problem, caries, and its solution, brushing teeth. You know the necessary inputs, your activity, the resources you use, and the method for this service process. And you probably also know the best practice method for toothbrushing to achieve teeth plug layer acceptable.